Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. So now let's see what are these cards here. We have Astronomer of Spheres in reverse, Empress in reverse, and Five of Moons in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So there is someone, or it may be your energy or someone in your situation, guys. So this person is trying to dominate you. They are trying to be really protective of you, control your actions, but they are quite possessive. They are trying to change your decisions or trying to inspire your decisions subtly. So you see their influence, and this person is quite dominating. So they are someone who is important in your life, and this person is trying to dominate you in every possible way, guys. So it may be someone from your work or someone in your family or a friend circle. So they are here trying to use their connection with you and control your decisions. So it is causing a lot of stress for you guys, and you cannot you cannot avoid this person. So they are someone important, and this person is having some evil intentions. So you have a lot of doubts about them, confused. You don't know what is there in their mind, and you feel that you cannot trust this person. And maybe for some of you, you feel that they are taking revenge on you. So they are acting as a friend or a family member, and they are against your actions, doing things against your wishes, trying to control your decisions. So some kind of difficulties you are facing today, guys. And maybe for some of you, I see that you are in a very tough situation, guys, but you need not fear. You are going to heal. Maybe the reasons for these troubles may be some past circumstance, some kind of troubles in the past you would have had with this person. So this person is behaving in such a way, doing things against you, maybe to trying to recreate their situation for you. So they are trying to avenge themselves, but today you are going to heal, guys. Maybe in the past you did some mistakes, you did it simply unintentionally, but today your situation is turning around. Maybe this person is going to see the truth, and you are going to see hope and faith very soon in your life, guys, in your future. So this person is going to understand you, understand the truth, or maybe they will understand your situation, and they are going to change for the better, guys. So that is what I see. So this may be the person you love, or this may be someone in your situation. So things are turning around, and you are going to see that ray of hope and faith in your life again, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have two cards here, so you can think about your situation, Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So, this is your first card, and this is your second card, guys. And I will start with the first card. So, let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So with this card guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past maybe, for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down. They were not quite responsible and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life, in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous, and your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy or you need not fear. You are someone who is very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So, it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have Round and Round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response and what was that experience and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today. and you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. With the two cards we saw such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.